Product number 1, Victrola Journey Suitcase. If you want a portable, beginner-friendly record player that looks cool and actually works, this Victrola Journey is worth a serious look. It's priced under $50, which puts it in the budget-friendly zone, but don't let the price fool you. It's got some solid features for new vinyl lovers. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It's a 3-speed belt-driven turntable, 33 1/3, 45 and 78 RPM, so you can play almost any record in your collection. The built-in stereo speakers are tuned pretty well for the price, and the sound-isolating feet help reduce vibration, something most cheap players ignore. Plus, it has Bluetooth, RCA out, and a headphone jack, so you're not stuck with just one way to listen. Over 2,000 people bought this in the past month, which tells you it's popular for a reason. Now, some people complained about the plastic build feeling a bit flimsy. Here's the thing though, it's not built like a tank, but for casual listening at home or taking to a friend's place, it's totally fine. The suitcase design with the carry handle makes it easy to move around, and honestly, it looks way better than most budget players. This is perfect for you if you're just getting into vinyl and want something simple, stylish, and portable. Skip this one if you're serious about sound quality or plan to hook it up to a high-end speaker system. For under $50, it's a solid entry point.
Product number 2, Season Life Vintage Turntable. That was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for someone who wants a bit more stability and a cleaner setup. The Season Life record player is another budget pick, but it's got a few upgrades that make it stand out. What really helps you here is the anti-vibration belt-driven system. It sits on a heavier base that absorbs shocks, so your records play smoother and with less distortion. It also supports all 3 speeds and comes with a removable dust cover, which is something you don't always get at this price. The built-in speakers are decent for background listening, and you've got Bluetooth, aux-in, headphone jack, and RCA out. Basically every connection you'd need. It's also selling fast, with 2,000 plus units moved last month. Now, some people said the sound can get a bit muddy at higher volumes. Here's the thing though, if you're not blasting it at a party, it sounds fine for everyday use. And since it's only $36, you're getting a lot for very little. This is perfect for you if you want an all-in-one player that doesn't take up much space and still looks vintage. Skip this one if you're planning to upgrade to external speakers soon. The internal amp isn't strong enough to drive anything big, but for dorm rooms or small apartments, it's a steal.
Product number 3, Retro Life Suitcase Player. If the last two felt a bit too basic, this Retro Life model takes the suitcase design up a notch. It's priced at $50, so it's still affordable, but the build quality feels noticeably better. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The PU leather exterior and metal accents give it a premium look without the premium price. It's belt-driven, supports all 3 record sizes and speeds, and has Bluetooth, RCA, aux, and headphone options. Basically everything you need in one box. The auto stop feature is a nice touch too. No more worrying about your record spinning forever. It's also lightweight at 2.5 kilograms, so you can easily carry it around. Now, some users mention the speakers aren't super loud. Here's the thing though, they're fine for personal listening or small rooms. If you want louder sound, just plug in external speakers via RCA. That's actually a smart design choice, not a flaw. This is perfect for you if you want something portable that still feels well-made and stylish. Skip this one if you're looking for audiophile level sound right out of the box, but for the price, it's one of the best-looking and most functional suitcase players out there.
Product number 4, Victrola Quincy 6-in-1. That was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for someone who wants more than just a turntable. The Victrola Quincy is a full entertainment center, and it's a beast. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It plays vinyl, CDs, cassettes, and even has an FM radio. That means you can digitize your old tapes or listen to the radio without needing multiple devices. The 3-speed turntable has upgraded sound quality with minimal vibration, and it's made from engineered wood, which helps with resonance. It also has Bluetooth and RCA out, so you can stream music or connect to better speakers. At $137, it's pricier, but you're getting 6 devices in one. Now, some people said it's bulky and takes up a lot of space. Here's the thing though, if you've got the room, it's worth it. This isn't just a record player, it's a whole music hub. This is perfect for you if you've got a mix of vinyl, CDs, and tapes and want one device to handle it all. Skip this one if you only care about vinyl and want something compact. But for retro lovers with a big collection, this is a dream.
Product number 5, Audio-Technica AT-LP60X. If you're serious about sound and ready to invest a bit more, this Audio-Technica is where things get real. At $170, it's the most expensive on this list, but it's also the only one built like a pro. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It's a fully automatic, belt-drive turntable with a die-cast aluminum platter. That means less vibration and better speed consistency, which translates to cleaner, more accurate sound. It plays 33 and 45 RPM records, no 78s, which is rare, and has a built-in phono preamp, so you can plug it directly into speakers without extra gear. Audio-Technica is a trusted name in audio, and this model is often recommended by vinyl enthusiasts. Now, some people wished it had Bluetooth. Here's the thing though, if you're buying this, you're probably not relying on wireless. This is for people who care about sound quality over convenience. This is perfect for you if you're stepping up from a beginner player and want something that will last years. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or need portability. But for the price, it's one of the best entry-level audiophile turntables you can buy.
So, which one should you get? If you're just starting out and want something portable, go for the Victrola Journey or Retro Life. Need more features? The Quincy handles everything. On a tight budget, Season Life delivers solid value. But if sound quality is your priority, the Audio-Technica is the clear winner. At the end of the day, it's not about the fanciest features, it's about what fits your life and your records.